Even after watching all the car reviews on the internet, it can leave you confused as the pros and cons of the car are all over the place. So, we are giving it to you straight on why you should and should not be buying this car. Hyundai Alcazar, the newly launched 7-seater SUV that just entered the Indian market. With all the new SUVs launched in the market by many manufacturers, does the Alcazar have what it takes to compete in the SUV segment? Let's find out quickly with 10 things why you should buy the Hyundai Alcazar and 10 things why you should not buy the Hyundai Alcazar. A 3-row family car that's well built inside and out. User-friendly interiors look really good. Brown shade is really awesome and it has quality parts. 2-liter petrol and 6-speed automatic deliver a very smooth and refined driving experience. Economical 1.5-liter diesel is available in manual and automatic transmission. It offers good drivability. Comfortable ride quality with neutral road presence. The ground clearance of Alcazar is 200 mm, which is perfect for Indian roads. The Alcazar safety package includes 6 airbags, ESP, all-wheel disc brakes, auto hold and tire pressure monitor system. It holds an impressive kit with fully digital instruments like 360-degree camera, second row wireless charger, panoramic sunroof, paddle shifters, Bose sound system and cooled seats. One more thing to be mentioned is the Hyundai's competent after-sales service and wide dealer network. The Alcazar's price starts from Rs 20 lakhs and goes up to Rs 25 lakhs on road. It means you have versions to choose from. We find the Alcazar's front design to be weird and overdone. Second row legroom is mediocre. Compromises have been made to accommodate the third row and boot. Third row seat is best suited for kids only. It's not really a place for adults. Rupees 3 lakhs on-road price over the higher variant of a Creta is just too much. There is nothing much for performance lovers here. The 2-liter AT is tuned very conservatively. The diesel engine offers 113 bhp and 250 Nm. Although it seems adequate, they are the lowest in the segment. The Creta 1.4-liter DCT is a lot more fun to drive. Competitors like Tata Safari, MG Hector Plus and XUV 500 offer way more spacious cabins. There are some misses on the Alcazar. No auto wipers, illuminated window buttons, full-size spare tire on top trims, electric boot opener and no electric seat for co-driver. Service maintenance is on the higher side compared to its rivals like Tata Safari, MG Hector Plus and XUV 500. So these are the things that you should be considering before buying the new Hyundai Alcazar. If you think any particular detail should have made it to the top 10 list, leave them in the comment section below and share the video if you're interested in the new Hyundai Alcazar. If you would like to watch more related videos, please subscribe to AutoShare India and also press the bell icon to get notified on our new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.